Hey guys, welcome back. Northern Survivalist here, and in this video we're going to be doing a very quick review on the Outbound knife. It's a fixed blade, very nice tang. It's very heavy. This blade feels cast iron, but again I doubt it. I only paid 10 bucks for it. It was on sale at Canadian Tire. If you guys are Canadian, go pick this up. 10 bucks, you can't go wrong. Original price is like 30. So this is the blade. Very cool design. It has this really nice texture on the blade itself. I guess to, help with rust and corrosion. It could be iron for all I know. I don't know. Really nice. There it says Outbound. Very heavy. Like I said before, feels really nice in the hand. It does have 5 stars on Canadian Tire's website. Picked this up while I was grabbing some pellets. But other than that, really nice knife. I would highly recommend it. The sheath is pretty cool too. This is the knife I have on my. It's like a military belt. It's a harder. I don't know how to explain it. It's a different setup I run. If I'm just going for a hike, I bring this knife with me. Really nice. Fits really well, and I love the Velcro. No stupid buttons. You go, boop, it's out. There's no stress. So anyways, I'll put the link in the description. I know we're in quarantine, not everybody can go outside at the moment, so I'll put it in the description. You guys can order it off the Canadian Tire website. Again, I am not sponsored by Canadian Tire. I just really like this product and I'm showing you guys. So let me know what you guys think. If you do order it, let me know and tell me your opinion in the comments if you guys want. Personally, I really like this knife, and it was way worth it. 10 bucks for a knife, how can you go wrong? Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video. This was a really quick video, and let me know what you guys think about my channel and my reviews and everything. I'm trying not to make them boring and taking 10 years to finish a video like some people. I'm going just right to the point, what I like about it, what I dislike about it. There's nothing I really dislike about this. The sheath is amazing. I love this part here, and it fits really well in my belt. Holds nice and heavy. Amazing knife, 10 out of 10. Would recommend to everybody. I'm actually might go pick up 2 more of these just to have as backups. Anyways guys, have a good one. Take it easy. Stay safe during this quarantine, and see you in my next video.